On this first layer, you can find the bag-in-box adapters, one drip collector, the tablet holder, bottle adapters, and the power supply cable. Under the first layer, here you can find a box containing the tablet, 30 meters of silicone tubes and a graduated measuring cup. Then pick up the machine and put it on the counter. To proceed now, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. The first step in this case is to attach the tablet to the tablet holder. Be careful to position the power button upwards. Use the white screws to fix the tablet holder to the tablet. Take now 2 dark screws and use them to fix the bottom of the tablet holder. These screws have to be inserted only halfway in, not completely. Now, position the tablet plus the tablet holder in this position, and now you can fix the 2 screws all the way in. This way, the tablet is now perfectly attached to the machine. Attach the electricity cable to the tablet. Take the last 2 dark screws remaining and use them to fix the last part of the tablet holder. Make sure to insert the power cable in the proper spaces. Position the drip collector. Take the power cable and connect it to a power source on one end and connect it to this jack at the other end. If the front logo lights up, this means that the machine is correctly powered. The tablet, in this case, should automatically light up. Now let's proceed with the configuration of the machine. The first step is to select the language and the specific model that you're using. You can choose between 2 different lists, the predefined lists and your personal list, which you can download from the cloud. The predefined list was created appositely by us, and you can use it in case you do not want to modify the recipes, while in case you want to modify some recipes, you can insert your username and password and download your personal cocktails list from the cloud. Now let's proceed with the installation of the ingredients in the machine. The tablet automatically searches for the machine using the Bluetooth system. Select the machine. Once the machine and the tablet are correctly linked together, the tab will light up this way and you'll receive a confirmation message on your screen. Let's now proceed with the calibration of the pump number 1, which in this case is the gin pump. Attach the tube to pump number 1. Cut the other end of the tube by performing a 45-degree cut. Now place the tube in the bottle adapter this way. The end of the tube needs to reach the bottom of the bottle. Let's move on to the calibration of the ingredient. Place a glass under the tap and press proceed. The machine is now sucking up the ingredient. In this case, if the ingredient is not dispensed, press no, until the ingredient finally reaches the end of the tube and drops in the glass. Once the ingredient drops in the glass, press yes. Take the graduated measuring cup and place it under the tap. Press proceed. Verify the quantity actually dispensed, in this case 40, and insert this measure on the tablet and press save. The calibration is now completed. You will need to repeat this procedure for each ingredient. When you link the bagging box, attach one end of the tube to the machine and the other end to the adapter. Open the bagging box this way, pull out the end of the bag, take off the protective cap, and attach the connector by rotating it like this. Always keep the connector facing upwards.